Hello, boys and girls. This will be morning work for week 16, day 1. And I will read the passage and read the questions afterwards. It says, this was the second science exam that Mike had failed. He was worried, so he decided to ask his science teacher, Miss Drake, for help. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, he told her. I feel like a major failure. You're not a failure, Mike, Miss Drake responded. You're hardworking and intelligent. Sometimes people get forgetful when they're nervous, and exams can make people nervous. Is that what's happening to you? Maybe, Mike replied. Tests definitely make me really nervous. Then let's discuss ways to help you feel calm. Maybe that will help. Terrific, Mike said. Maybe if I feel more relaxed, I'll get higher scores. Number 1. Which words give an accurate preview of the text? Which words give an accurate preview of the text? Preview is looking at something before you actually read it. Would it be A, exam, worry, and relaxed? Would it be B, teacher, science, and scores? Would it be C, help, failure, nervous? Would it be D, sometimes, intelligent, and wrong? Number 2, what is the setting of this story? That means, where does it take place? A, at Mike's home. B, Miss Drake's home. C, a classroom. Or D, the library. Number 3, which words share a suffix? And a suffix is the ending part of a word. So which words share a suffix? Is it A, worried and decided? Is it B, higher and calmer? Is it C, doing and hard working? Or is it D, each word pair shares a suffix? Number 4, which is a synonym for exam? Which is a synonym for exam? So which of the words means the same thing as exam? Is it A, test, B, study, C, fail, or D, wrong? Number 5, which phrase shows that Mike is pleased with Mrs. Drake's suggestion? Is it A, tests definitely make me really nervous? B, I feel like a major failure? C, you're not a failure? Or D, terrific? Which phrase shows that Mike is pleased with Miss Drake's suggestion? That's it for day 1.